Ow. Sorry. Hi, I'm Tori. Bianca. Sorry you can't see us. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We've been up. I mean, I've slept a couple minutes, but whatever. Okay. I'm gonna be on lady.
That's the cat. Shut up. Okay, go on.
Whatever.
Never mind that. Anyway, go.
Okay, I'm gonna be a really unladylike. We both are.
She is with the belching, and I am with like the sitting, and yeah. Okay. Anyway.
I can burp on command, pretty much. And all of it only had like a sip of Coke. And that's it. So.
Yeah, look. It's right there. And one sip, because that's mine.
This one little one. Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So you ready?
Okay, go.
Yeah. I are
High five. Good job. High five again. No.
Adam.
Wait, I didn't say Joseph.
I are just zip. Adam.
Tori, be quiet. My dad's asleep. I don't care. I don't either.
Just negative. Less.
Wow.
Zip. Zip.
On. No. Whoa.
Got stuck. Oh, high five. Let's go.
Say,
Trying to. I can't.
no, say boogle wiggle.
I can't. It's too long. I can't say paw. Take a p in it. You poopy face. Okay. When I say paw, it comes out ball. Let's listen.
Ball.